Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and installing a door latch in a 2008 Subaru Outback. We'll start by opening the door. First, we're going to take this little trim piece off. You use a flat blade tool carefully behind the panel. Pull it, and then you can use your fingers and pull it back. There's 3 little clips. Next, we're going to take this trim piece off here with a flat blade tool. There's a little area to put your screwdriver. Push down and pull it out. There's clips on the back. Next, we're going to take this trim piece off. We're going to pry it down right here with a flat blade tool. Being careful not to damage any of the surfaces. And we're going to pull it out. This is difficult to come out. There is clips, retainers that hold it in. We're going to start with a Phillips head screwdriver. We have 3 screws, 1 there, 1 here, and then 1 up here. Next, we're going to use a door panel trim tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. You can go in behind, and pop off the clips. And then you just lift and pull back. On the inside, we're going to pull the inner door latch and lock mechanism off. We have to pull this cover up. We have to disconnect these cables. You're going to pull out, and then you're going to pull up. A little ball will come up. And same with this one. Next, we have to disconnect our connector for the window switches. You're going to push this little tab here and pull it down. And then we're going to disconnect our door light. You're going to push down on this tab, and it's going to pull right out. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to take this speaker off. Disconnect it at the connector right here. Just push on the lock. Disconnect this speaker too. Push on the lock. Pull that out. It's a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull this speaker out. Hold the speaker while you pull the last bolt out. I'm going to pull these off with a trim tool. Alright, we're going to use a razor blade and cut some of this to pull it back. very sticky. I'm going to peel this back all the way around, pull these cables through and all the wires through. There we go. Set this aside. I'm going to pop off this lock rod. There's a little latch you have to push back for the rod. And then it slides right out. I'm going to pop this lock off. It holds that rod on. So get it popped, then I can push the rod out. There we go. Take these Phillips head screws out. There's a connector right here. I'm going to disconnect this connector. Cut that out of the way. I'm going to pull this down. I'm going to twist it. Out. And there it is. All right, now we're going to reinstall the door latch. This is very difficult to do, but if you have some patience, you can skirt it right in there. I'm gonna feed this in first. I'm gonna twist it. Move this wiring harness out of the way. Oops, this wrong. Put our Phillips head screw in. Get that one started. I'll plug in our connector. Screw our other screws in. Get them all started first. Good. All right, so we're gonna fish this in here. So that rod goes on there. There we go. Green one's locked in. Okay. Next we're gonna do it on the lock cylinder. Push the rod on, push down on the lock. All right, before we close the door, just to make sure, we're gonna confirm that it actually works. From the outside handle. I don't know why, These don't really spring back like most other cars. Yep, it works. All right, we'll test it. That works, and we'll test the key. It locks, it unlocks, good to go. Now we're gonna put the vapor barrier on. This black stuff gets all over the place, so be careful. Get it set on the top first. Like that. These wires are going to slide through over here. This wire will slide through here. Let's see. This one goes here, and goes right there. Push it all the way around. Good. We're going to install the speaker. Take your Phillips head screws, line it up in the hole. That one started. Line up the second one, and then the last one. Connect the connector, snap it in. So we're going to connect our connector right here. Like that. Roll the speaker down. Take our Phillips head screws. Line it up with the hole. Take our other Phillips head screw. And tighten them down. Now we're going to reinstall the door panel. We're going to start where we left. We're going to reattach the door light. Just push it in. We're going to reattach the connector for the window switches. Just push it in. That's good. We're going to reattach the lever and lock mechanism with the cables. The small cable goes on the top. Take this ball, goes in there first. that. And then you slide it over. Just like that. And same with this one. The ball goes in this hole and then goes through the slot. And then this goes down like that. And then you slide this cover down. Next you want to take this, go in from the top, get it in up top here. There's a groove. And once that's lined up, you should be able to line the pins up and just push, just like that. Phillips head screws and a Phillips head screwdriver. Start screwing in the panel. We're going to install this cover. Slide in like that, and this last cover up top. Now we're going to use our last one, put these 3 tabs in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.